My name is Sarah Atkinson. I'm an operations manager with Leaf Filter. Things for the homeowner to consider when thinking about gutters or gutter protection or the estimate in general is it just depends on their home, the issues that are happening at the home, what's surrounding the home. It could even be as simple as what type of a lot the home is on, what it's made out of. It could be what the roof is made out of. You know, a metal roof should call for 6-inch gutters and nothing less, whereas an asphalt or architectural roof could potentially get away with a 5-inch gutter. So there's just so many things to consider. How many downspouts are needed based on the linear feet of a run. A typical rule of thumb is if it's 35 or more, you want 2 downspouts.
My name is Will Bateman. I'm the operations manager. Well, the first one is obviously the quality of the material, the gauge of the aluminum, but secondly, it would be the quality of the craftsmanship in the installation process. A big part of the stuff that we replace is gutters that have already been put on that were done incorrectly. So it's extremely important that you have somebody that knows what they're doing, has the right equipment, the right machinery, or you're probably gonna have to end up doing it twice.